Dryer vent cleaning may seem like the perfect business to start in 2026. Well, I've been working as an employee at multiple dryer vent cleaning companies for the past 8 years. And in this video, I want to share with you from my experience why I think starting a dryer vent cleaning company is a terrible idea. Number one is customer acquisition. If you're watching this video, you probably were typing the numbers into the calculator and seeing that starting a dryer vent cleaning company isn't really that expensive. And if you do a certain amount of jobs a day for a certain price, you type the number in the calculator, seems like a great business, but reality is a lot different than numbers in the calculator. Dryer vent cleaning takes about an hour, hour and a half to complete, and the price to get your dryer vent cleaned is usually around like $200. So in order to keep your operation going, you're going to need like 3 to 5 jobs a day. So how are you going to get the customers? This is the number one comment that I get on my videos is, how do you acquire customers? Well, it's extremely expensive. 2 companies I worked for were very different in their marketing strategy. One company would spend a lot of money on print media, like coupons, like a $30 off coupon, the $50 off coupon. Other company that I worked for spent a lot of money, like $50 to $100 to acquire one customer on social media, Google, internet marketing. So now you're going to need to be on the phone booking customers or online trying to find customers, and then you're actually going to have to go and do the work yourself. That brings me to the next reason why I think dryer vent cleaning company is a terrible business, because it's not really a business, it's more like a higher paying job, because you're going to have to do everything yourself. And that is because it's very hard to keep employees as a dryer vent cleaning company, because of the first thing that I talked about is the inconsistent schedule. An employee, I know for me, if I have a 9-to-5 job, I want to have a set schedule, a set amount of money that I'm going to be making. But with dryer vent cleaning, it depends if anyone books. If nobody booked on Monday, I would just have a random day off. Or if the first person booked at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I would waste my whole day and then have to start at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So a lot of the times I would be employed, I would have an ugly truck sitting in my driveway, and then I would have no work for the day or a very inconsistent schedule. Another thing is, once somebody gets really good at dryer vent cleaning, most of them will do side jobs or start their own dryer vent cleaning company, which brings me to the next point, is competition. You're going to be competing for one thing, and that is the lowest price. And it's going to be very hard to compete with other established companies such as Stanley Steamers, carpet cleaning companies, HVAC companies, other companies that could offer dryer vent cleaning as an add-on at $79, $80, $100, which makes people very skeptical to pay the $200 that you're going to ask for. And that brings me to the next thing is price. It's a commoditized service. It's either the dryer vent's clean or it's not clean. A lot of the companies that I worked at tried to dress it up, tried to fill customers' heads with a bunch of jargon, blah, 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 statistics, fire code, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, you're just cleaning dust with a vacuum. So there's 2 ways that you could price it. Like I said, it's usually around $200. One of the companies that I worked for was very big on saying everything is included. Everything is included. You get it in writing. It is included. But it would be a very high price. It would be like between $200 and $300. And also some companies would do somewhat unethical coupon strategies, like saying $50 coupon, but not giving the price on the coupon. So you would just make up a price and then minus 50. Or other companies would book it at a foot in the door price, $100, $150. And then when I got there, I would have to try to leave with a much higher ticket, like close to $400, which I didn't feel comfortable doing. I just wanted to go help people unclog their dryer vents. I didn't want to go aggressively sell stuff. Next is going to be repeat rate. Dryer vent cleaning, at most, you need to get done once a year. So if you acquire a customer, pay the $50 to $100 to acquire a customer. Now, at best case scenario, you have 1 customer per year. Other service business like garbage can cleaning, office cleaning, stuff like that could be weekly or monthly recurring. Brings me to the next thing, which is passivity. You're going to have to do everything yourself. Biggest problem at the places where I worked, like I said, it was scale. You could make a lot of money as a dryer vent cleaner. It could be a good business for one person if you want to work a lot and have no time to yourself and have to work on it 24/7. I think there are other service and other types of businesses that are more passive, that will give you more time with your family, and that are easier to be successful without competition. And if you still want to start a dryer vent cleaning company, check out this tour of my awesome work truck.